Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss few system requirements for you to use UiPath Studio Web. So these system requirements are both at the time of developing the automation and as well as running the automation. But before we begin, let me introduce word of the day, robust. Robust is an adjective and the meaning is strong and able to withstand pressure. So without any delay, let's get started with today's session. So you all know that UiPath Studio Web doesn't require any installations. It does not require any maintenance. All you need is a web browser and your UiPath cloud account. So even though you are using Mac OS or Windows, you will be able to design, develop and run automations using UiPath Studio Web. At design time, you can design robust automations with UiPath automation activities in UiPath Studio Web. You can use both Chrome and Edge browsers. So let's say if you are using Windows machine, you can use both Edge as well as Chrome on your laptops or on your systems to develop and run the automations. Now let's say if you are using Mac OS, Edge will not be available on Mac OS, right? So there you need to install Chrome for you to start using UiPath Studio Web. Just to begin with your UI automations, the prerequisite here is you need to have the session opened in the same browser where you are using UiPath Studio. So Studio Web and the target web applications must be rendered in the same browser, either it is a Chrome or Edge browser, and UiPath extension must be installed for the browser. So here I have already installed UiPath extension. I am using Edge browser here. I will go to projects. I will click on new project and will use manual automation. And here I can build UI automations using UI automation activities. If you see here, you have browse by category, and let's say I want to use Google Chrome to search something. I want to click on the activities which are specified for UI automation. So here I will click on UI automation, and let's say I want to use browser. The use browser activity got added and it is trying to detect what all tabs this particular Edge browser currently has. As it doesn't have any of the Google web page already open, you will not be able to see those listed under here. So let me quickly open Google here. And now I'll come back and I will try to see if Google gets populated. I think here it is populated. So now let's say I want to open Yahoo. So here let us come back and see whether even Yahoo is getting populated here. Yahoo Mail has come, Google has come. Let's say I want to open Bing search. And then come back and search here Bing. Bing search is also. So what are tabs that are open? Only those tabs will be visible for us to automate. So let's say I want to use our Google search here. I have clicked this one. So that's when it will take that particular page and it will allow us to automate. Let's say I want to use type into. Okay, I will use type into. So let's say indicate on screen. It will go here and it can automatically select that particular element. And we can also add anchors. And if you click confirm, it will go ahead and add that particular web element to the project. Barcelona. So let me search for the content. So let's say this is the design part of the automation. So when I click test here, it does not run on the same machine or the same browser where you have developed the automation. So although I have developed the automation here on Edge browser, when we are running this particular automations, this automation runs on a serverless machine, serverless robot on Chrome browser only. So let me click test and I'll show you. So here if you see, it is not running here. It is running on a serverless robot. Here I'll click reject all weather in Barcelona. So it just entered weather in Barcelona and it closed the session. So now you want to understand that the automation runs on a serverless machine. Once you have developed the automations with the help of UiPath orchestrator, these automations can be configured to run unattended using Chrome on Windows, Mac OS and Automation Cloud robots. So automatically those cloud robots have UiPath extension enabled in it. But if at all you want to run it in your machines, you need to have this extension enabled for UiPath to get the different tabs which are opened in browser for you to start automating your UI automations. So in this way, you can build robust automations and run the automations on cloud robots using UiPath Studio Web. So hope you all have followed this video. Please do like the video and share it with your friends. Use the word of the day so that you will improve your speaking skills. That's all for this video. See you all in the next video. Thank you.